Team, I'm gonna show you how to grill some beautiful chicken breasts on the brand new Ninja Foodi grill and griddle coming up. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. Welcome to my kitchen. So glad you're here. If you're a returning subscriber, you know I love you. If you're new to the channel, please hit that red subscribe button, that bell next to it so you get alerts on all what we're doing here. So what are we doing here today, guys? We are going to just grill up a couple chicken breasts for lunch. Figured it was a quick, easy video, something to show you guys how to do it because we're coming up on that Christmas time of year. And I know a bunch of you guys are gonna get this new Ninja Foodi 7-in-1 grill and griddle. So I wanna make sure you're prepared with all the good proteins that we cook on there. We've done steaks, we've done some chicken wings, done a bunch of little stuff in there. Now we're gonna do a little chicken breast, okay? And chicken breast is the hardest thing for people to get right because people overthink it. They gotta overcook it because they feel like it's chicken. You know, chicken is scary. It's not. All you gotta do is remember, cook it to internal temperatures. Don't you dare ask me how long this takes. This is about internal temperatures. Okay, so on this one, we're gonna use our probe because I have the smart grill and griddle. If you do not have a probe, get yourself one of these instant read thermometers. I'll put a link down below. There's even a code to get 10% off, but they're really not expensive. It's like 20 bucks or something like that. This will save your life in the kitchen with cooking proteins. What do I always do? I stress that you cook to internal temperatures, not the time, right? So that's what we're gonna do today. With chicken breasts, we wanna cook to 165 internal temperatures, right? In the thickest part. Now, how I do my chicken breast, I cook it to 160 and then pull it out of the grill and let it rest. And then the carryover ambient temperature will take it to 165. And that's where you wanna be. Juicy every time. Trust me on that, okay? With using the internal probe for the Foodi grill, when I see it get to about 140, then I'm gonna start checking it with my instant read and just make sure that we're not overcooking it or we're not trusting that temperature probe too much, okay? For the groceries you're gonna need on this one, really simple. Some boneless, skinless chicken breasts, a little avocado oil, and the barbecue seasoning or all-purpose seasoning of your choice. For me, I'm going with Uncle Steve's Shake, a little sweet and spicier. That's it. Nothing more to really talk about. Let's get over to the Ninja Foodi grill station and let's get this grill fired up and prep this chicken. All right, come on back. All right, team, we're gonna get the Foodi grill on. We have the grill plate in there. We're gonna do grill setting high. It's already set on it. That's what it turns on to be. So we're just gonna go ahead and preheat it. And while it's preheating, we'll go ahead and work on this chicken, get it ready to go. Pretty big, pretty thick, all the way through. And I'm gloved up on one hand because it's chicken and I don't want to get chicken juice everywhere, especially on my expensive camera gear. So we're just going to use a little avocado oil on there, just spray them down. This is for flavor and to help the barbecue seasoning stick. So we're going in with the sweet and spicier by Uncle Steve's Shake. This is my favorite rub of his, but again, you guys can use whatever seasoning and rub that you like to use, okay? But if you want to do the recipe like your boy here, go ahead and get yourself some of Uncle Steve's Shake. You won't regret it. Like going down on this side, a little more on this side. Make sure you get all the sides too. While we're still getting the preheating done, we're gonna add the temperature probe in one of the, we're going the biggest one here, just about in the middle. All right, we'll come back when this preheated. Okay, team, it's calling for the food to be added, so that is what we're going to do. I'm going to put the chicken breast on. Hear that sizzle? All right, people have asked me that they have food sliding down because it is at a little incline. I have not had that problem, but I do spend a little bit of time pressing the meat onto the grill, so that may have something to do with it. So take your time, make sure you have good contact on the grill, and you should be fine. You should not see any sliding. All right, let's shut this down. All right, and I'm gonna do the preset on the cooking because I have the probe in. So I have it switched to chicken. So I hit preset. I use the little dial here to turn it to chicken. It's currently 46 degrees. The target temp is 170. Obviously, Ninja's a little more overprotective on their temperatures. So when I see this get to about 140, gonna start using my instant read thermometer to check, and then we'll decide where we're at with that point. If my instant read says 160, we'll pull it, okay? Let's say we're about halfway through the cook. I went ahead and rotated them just so we can get those cool cross marks for the grill hatch marks. Just got about another 60 degrees or so to go. All right, I went ahead and rolled these over, flipped them over. Got some nice grill marks, some nice char. The seasoning that we use from Uncle Steve's Shake, it's sweet and spicier, right? So the sweet is caramelizing on there. That's why you get a little bit of that char, but it's what makes it perfect for this. While we have it open, our temp probe says 129 for the current temp. Let's take a closer look. Okay, so we're pretty darn close on that one. This one's about 143. So I'm gonna let it go another couple minutes, and then I'm gonna check it again. Right, we're reading about 145 on the internal probe. Let's go ahead and check the temp in there. Okay, we're reading right around 160, 155. This one, about 155 also. One more minute, then we're gonna pull them and let them rest. Right, last check, 161, right where we wanna be. This one's a little bit more. All right, 165. We're gonna take these off and let them rest on a plate over here. Okay, the chicken breasts are just chilling on a plate right now. We're gonna let it rest for about 5 minutes. What that does is let the meat kind of calm down, let the juices redistribute through the piece of protein. In this case, it's the chicken. Don't go tearing into your chicken breast right off the bat. Like I said, give it 5 minutes or so. Let those juices kind of redistribute. Let all those meat fibers kind of calm down. You'll be eating soon enough, don't worry. This is looking really good. And I'm glad I used that sweet and spicier with that little extra sweetness in there because it adds that great char, that caramelization that really helps add extra flavor to your indoor grilling. Okay, so when you're outside grilling, you get those nice char marks, you get that good Maillard reaction, right? You want to duplicate that inside the house using your indoor grill. This is a great way to do it. Add a little extra barbecue rub that has some sugar in it. You get a lot better char marks. Okay, all right, 5 minutes, relax. For me, it'll be 5 minutes. For you, a second. Come on back. All right, team, we've let the chicken breast rest. That's right. Love it. Poet and didn't know it. Look at the juices that have already just come out of there, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of cut it in the middle here so you can kind of see that it's cooked all the way through. The knife is making short work of it. You can see it's juicy as can be. I'm dripping on the plate. Gotta move a little closer here. But you guys can see that it's running nice and clear. The juice is dropping, making a mess, but it's gorgeous inside, perfectly cooked. Okay, all right, I'm gonna slice the rest of this up and we'll try it. Okay, time to try our little chicken breast. Look, it's juicy. Get behind it, there we go. You see it's just dripping. The dripping's actually burning my hand, so that's cool. But there you go, yummy. Yeah, guys, I mean, it's hard to get excited over chicken breast. I mean, of all the proteins, it's not honestly my favorite, but I'm giving you the way to make it so it's nice and juicy. It's tolerable. I mean, a lot of people like chicken breasts out there. I'm a dark beet guy myself, so give me some thighs and legs, but this is for you guys. Put it on salads, put it on ramen, make some sandwiches out, whatever you want to do. This is perfect, perfectly done, tender, juicy, all those good adjectives, but we did a good job on this one. Okay, listen, if you guys want to get yourself one of these Ninja Foodi grill and griddles, the brand new for 2021, hit the link down below to Ninja Kitchen. It is an affiliate link, but you don't pay anything extra for it, and it helps out the channel, lets the Ninja know I'm working for them. If you guys want to get your own personalized cutting board or Doll Strong knife or merch or anything else, it's shown more in the description. And again, they're all affiliate links, but it helps out the channel and you don't pay anything else, okay? If you want to become part of CJ's crew here for real on YouTube, hit that join button, become a channel member, your name at the end scroll of every video, a couple other perks in there. And again, it helps out the channel so we can make great content for you, okay? But that's it for this week. I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.